Hey guys, Emeka here. Welcome back to my channel, and we are going to continue with our GCP versus AWS Lab series. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new user on Google Cloud and on Amazon Web Services. So, same as always, let's start off with AWS. In AWS, we have to go to a service known as IAM, which is Identity and Access Management. To access that, you go to Services. Then, same as I showed you the last time, all you need to do is type IAM in this box, or you can actually find it in the categories, and it is under the Security, Identity, and Compliance category. So if I click on it, now I'm in the IAM screen. So to create a new user, you click on Users, then go to Add a User, give the user a name, let's call it On1 Productions, and then decide the access type. You can either access programmatically or through the console. Programmatically will be either using an API or through a terminal. An AWS console would be what we're looking at right now through the management console. So today I'm just going to focus on using AWS management console. So that's the only checkbox I'm going to select. You can attach a policy to it. You can add the user to a group. I'm not really going to bother with any of this right now, so click Next. You can add a tag to it. I'm not going to bother with that. Click Next. So here's a summary, and now all you have to do is create the user. So I have created a user. The user had an auto password generated. You can also create your own password if you want. And you can download this password so that you can remember it later. So let's just download the CSV that has the password. So this is the credentials that I just downloaded. You can see the username and password. Let's test it out right now. So let's try and log in as this user. So I'm going to go into a incognito window, go to AWS, go to AWS Management Console. First of all, I have to put in the account ID so that I can go to the exact account that we were showing in the last screen. Then I'm going to type in the new user that I created. Then I'm going to paste in that password that's in the Excel sheet. And then you'll be prompted to put in a new password. So first of all, you put the old password, then you give yourself a new password. Confirm the password change, and now I am logged in as On1 Productions. Let's go back to IAM. You can see a few error messages when I come to the IAM screen under On1 Productions user, and that's because On1 Productions wasn't given administrator rights. So you do not have the rights to change and create roles or users. So now that I've shown you how to create a new user in AWS, let's jump over to Google Cloud and do the same thing. So in Google Cloud, you go to IAM and Admin, click on IAM, which is also the same, Identity Access Management. Then you click on Add a User. You type the email address of the user you want to create. You select the role that you want to give it. You can give it a lot of different roles here. An owner gives you full access. Viewer, you can read. An editor, you can edit things. In a browser, you can access GCP services. So let me focus on just giving you a viewer access. So now I have created a new user and given them viewer access to this project. So now if that user wants to access this project, let me actually do the same thing. Go to incognito window. Agree to the terms and conditions. And I'll select a project. So you can see the project that I was given access to, this 1286 project. So I'll click on that. So I'm now in the 1286 project, and let me go to Identity Access Management. Notice I can't add or remove a user because I do not have the permission to do that because I was given viewer access. So that's how you create users in AWS and Google Cloud. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you like the content. And don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me out. See you next time.